Bakasana tends to be a lot of first arm balance that a lot of people will learn in yoga class, because what they do is they'll just have the knees bent and then sort of have this sort of shelf situation that they prop their knees on, and then it holds everything up, which is like, I get it. It's a great way to introduce somebody to an arm balance and to overcome a bit of fear. But the technique of it is completely off, because your butt and your weight is so completely back that trying to get into a straight arm Bakasana, it will not happen, okay? So when we think about Bakasana, again, we're thinking about a lot of the basic principles of Lolasana. So from here, so when we do our forward fold in Surya Namaskar, right, we have our hands here. We're gonna bring our knees up really high to here. Lock it in, right? And then just sort of let yourself lean forward. But see how forward I am. Like my fingertips are going. And then, heck, that jump back is supreme easy because I don't have a lot of weight. Like I have very little weight here. Very little weight. So it doesn't require grip so much. Very little weight is on my arm. So that when I jump back, it's not like I'm lifting my knees off, because they're already light. So I'd like you guys to try this.